Hey everyone, this is Erving here. Welcome to our Forex Weekly Outlook for the week of August 30th to September 2021. Guys, do me a favor, make sure you do subscribe to Team with Erving so you never miss any video from us. So today guys, I'm gonna be going to share with you step by step exactly how I'm gonna be breaking down each analysis that I'm gonna be giving you today. So make sure you stay with me to the end for an amazing announcement that is coming on. As you all know guys, this is Team with Erving here. If you want the best tips, tricks, analysis, and strategy here on our Forex channel, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you to be notified when we post brand new videos, so you never ever miss any content from us. So let's get to work. Let me show you what this week is all about. So today we are gonna go ahead and start with our AUD USD. I'm starting AUD USD in 1 hour guys. All I have to tell you here in 1 hour, I usually don't do it in 1 hour, but someone asked me and sent this request on 1 hour and said, Erving, can you please analyze AUD USD but only in 1 hour? As look at here guys, all I want you to know is that we do have a trade here with 40.3 pips already in profit. So there is a trade here already in profit. No matter what the market's gonna do, we're still gonna be collecting some of those profit in there. So what's going on here on 1 hour on AUD USD guys? Multiple time frame is letting us know that we are in a uptrend at this present time, but this is considered a pullback because the trend here, it is bearish. The market is doing a pullback at this present time. So now what are we seeing for this week guys? The market is getting ready for a sell position, continuation of that sell. So all I can say is the market still has potential to drop to your 61.8 Fibonacci line. So from there, market will do a small correction, making this sell position stronger, and then guess what? Boom, market will continue his origination trend, which is the bearish position. If you guys have any question, please let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear from you to see if you do have any question. All right, let me go ahead and show you what AUD USD. Now we're gonna move on to our 4 hours. For now on, all the pairs that I'm gonna analyze is gonna be only on 4 hours. But quick reminder guys to everyone, please remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to make hundreds and hundreds of pips here in the market. And please guys, this is very important, please do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. Remember, this business is very risky. You can also win huge, but remember to manage your account correctly. And guys, please always be on the lookout for scammers. I will never ever send you any private message saying that I'm gonna be monitoring your account. Please be careful. So you always gonna hear from me here on YouTube live. All right, so be careful please. I'm just telling you up front. All right, so what's going on here guys is USD Canadian. It is doing a bearish position at this present time. Remember, market here is bullish. Look at here, multiple time frame is bullish, sniper entry is bullish. And what did the market do here? Boom, market took off as a buy position, which is correct. But what happened here was the market gave us a pullback saying, okay, the bullish position is game over, it retraced back, and then it gave us a confirmation of a buy. So all I can say this week guys, on Friday the market did close as a sell position. So this coming week the market will continue his sell position, retesting our 38th Fibonacci line, which we have previous support and resistance right at that level. Then market will do a small continuation of the buy position. By then it's gonna be Wednesday guys. So on this coming Wednesday we are gonna meet at 4 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review this what I'm telling you right now, the before and after, so you can see and say, okay Erving, you know, the trade went on your favor, the trade went against you. But so far guys, last week I was on vacation. I really want to apologize for not giving you guys a weekly analysis, but we did a lot of live YouTube live streams, so that helps. Guys, a quick reminder to everyone, if you are watching out here for the first time, make sure you do subscribe to our daily trading so you will never ever miss any content from us. And another quick reminder, if you guys want to sign up to our 30 days trial, please do so. The link, it is in the description of this video. You will have 30 days trial. You're gonna be watching me on my shoulder how I break down each pair. Or if you don't want the 30 days trial and you want to grab directly our multiple time frame, you are more than welcome to do so. So you can go ahead and grab it. The link is also in the description if you want to sign up and grab the multiple time frame. Please let me know either way. Whatever indicator you do get with us, please let me know so I can give you access so you can learn and master everything we have here in our channel. All right, fair enough. So let me know which package you guys want to sign up so we can start making hundreds and hundreds of pips. But here on USD Canadian, look at that. We have another trade here with 520 pips plus the previous one that I just did the analysis that has 400 plus. So that's almost what? Almost 1,000 pips just in there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. This is trading multiple time frames, so that's beautiful. All right, the next pair that I have for you guys is Eurgbp. Let's go. Eurgbp, guys, it is in a buy position. Remember, multiple time frame is bullish. Our multiple time white arrow is bullish. Our sniper entry here is bullish. And what is the market doing? Look at this beautiful thing. Boom. Market is going bullish. But on Friday, the market did close as a sell. All I can say is this sell is still valid. Market is gonna come back and retest your 50 Fibonacci line. From there, market will continue his original trend, which is bullish. And boom, by then it's gonna be Wednesday. We're gonna meet and discuss this live. So on Monday, guys, we are gonna be doing a live streaming. So make sure you do subscribe so you will never ever miss any content from us. So because look, if you don't subscribe, you're gonna have bad luck here on our Forex channel. So you cannot afford, having bad luck. So make sure you destroy that bell notification below so you never ever miss any content from Team with Erving channel. So let's go, guys. I'm super excited to let you know that. So make sure you destroy that bell notification below. All right, let's move on to our next pair of the week. So the next one, it is Eurusd. Someone asked me, Erving, can you please analyze Eurusd in 1 hour? But you know what? I decided to do it in 4 hours, guys, because 4 hours is my main thing here. So I can break it down for you. Whoever was the person on either Monday or Tuesday, I can break it down for you. Guys, remember on Tuesday we are gonna be meeting with our private members. So make sure you do sign up to our 30 days trial if you want to participate, or either if you want to grab our multiple time frame all at once, let me know. If you do sign up to our 30 days trial, guys, it's the best $39 of your lifetime. If you then decide to grab the multiple time frame, let me know and I will give you those $39 off so that can offset your original cost of our multiple time frame. Super excited for that. Let's go. Hopefully I get to see each and everybody of you here on the other side of the channel. So let's go and hit and analyze Eurusd. Remember, the month is coming, guys. This is it. We are on September, officially almost September, right? Only Monday is the only day that we're gonna be trading in the month of August. From there, we are gonna be moving to September. Let's go. Pay close attention what the month of September has to offer, guys. So what I'm seeing here is the multiple time frame is ready forming, guys, a brand new trend, letting us know that we are gonna be bullish. We are going to be in a bullish position on Eurusd. Pay close attention to our dashboard. Our dashboard is also confirming that we are also on what? We are on a bullish position. Let's go. If you said that we were in a bullish position, please applaud yourself. Guys, since I have you guys here, let me know if this weekly analysis makes sense. If it does make sense, go ahead, make sure you write TWE in the comment below. And let me know if you guys need help in a different, if you want me to make a different video or whatever you need from me, please let me know. Hopefully you guys are finding value from this video. If you are finding value, make sure you destroy that bell notification in there so it can help the algorithm of our channel. So, and I will appreciate it, because look guys, this take time, and I'm doing it for you so you guys can make money. So all I'm asking in favor is for you to destroy that bell in there. All right, so what's going on with Eurusd? Market here still have potential to go and break down your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci line. Look at all this level here, guys, beautiful levels. From there, market is gonna make a retracement. This retracement here represented this bullish position is gonna make them stronger. Then boom, market will continue his original trend to a buy position. I'm super excited for that, and hopefully we all collect this hundreds and hundreds of pips as a team, because that's all what it matters to me. And remember guys, there is no such a silly question. Every question matters to me, and I take it very serious. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or an advanced. If you're an advanced, it's even better for me, because we can challenge, we can wrestle your question with me, and we can do it professionally. Remember, we are here to respect each other, guys. So we can disagree in any subject that you can bring it up, but we must listen to this, guys. We must agree on what we do here on our channel, how we are gonna be analyzing the market together, and we need to be one mind for the world. So I'm giving you an amazing content for free. Other people would charge you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for free information that I'm giving you here. So make sure you do this, destroy that bell notification so you never ever miss any content. All right, let me go ahead and show you the next pair of the week, guys. The next one, it is Usdjpy. So Usdjpy, it is very interesting. Usdjpy, it is in a buy position at this present time, but it looks like the market is getting ready for a brand new guys, brand new month, brand new setup for a brand new sell position. What we have here is sell position already forming, continuation of the sell position already formed twice. So what are we expecting to see this week, the month of September, is the market will continue all the way to our mid 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. From there, market will make this sell position stronger, will make a small correction to your 38.25. And then from there, we are gonna be expecting to see a beautiful red arrow right in this area here, saying, okay Veronica, okay Van, okay Harold, okay Will, okay everyone, we are gonna be selling this bad boy. And guess what? Boom! Market will be coming on your way down. If you guys disagree with me, please let me know in the comment below. Anyway, I'm here for you. Every question matters to me. There's no such a silly question. So if you guys are finding value, guys, make sure you go ahead and let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with me on this analysis that I'm giving you today. So bear with me, guys. I get very excited, like I said in the beginning, doing this weekly analysis, because I really transform myself. I'm not in real life, guys. I'm very shy. I barely talk to my family because I'm very shy, but but you know, when it comes to Forex, there is a new personality here, and that is Team with Erving. So let's go, guys. So I'm super excited for this. Remember, what are we doing this week, guys? It's very important. So you make sure you do sign up for a 30 days trial. It's gonna be the best investment of your lifetime. Make sure you also subscribe to our YouTube channel for our daily Forex video. And guess what? Today we are analyzing our Forex weekly analysis for the week of September 30th. I'm sorry, for the week of August 30th to September 3rd. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video on Monday. And don't forget to share it with your other fellow traders or the social media. It doesn't matter where you're gonna be trading this. So remember, stay healthy. Always remember, always respect your family. Stay healthy, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States. And I will see you tomorrow. Hasta la vista, guys. Peace out. Remember, If you guys want training in Spanish, we also have an enormous group here trading in the Spanish community. So there is a new member that just signed up. Her name is Veronica. She's controlling the Spanish market, so we are gonna be introducing her in the near future, where she's gonna be teaching you guys with I think she's gonna be trading with her son Ben. So there's gonna be an amazing thing, amazing huge announcement that is coming, guys. So remember, all those guys that speak Spanish, the team is coming better and stronger. Let's go, guys. God bless you and God bless your beautiful family. So see you tomorrow. Peace out.